and plumbing.
A lot of hype out there with round number 2. So we got 2 storm systems that we're forecasting and tracking. One's tonight, one's on Saturday. So looking at computer models all over the place. So I'm getting texts and calls and social media posts here. So we're looking at the computer models. This is similar to one we saw yesterday. It's the purple starting to move northward. So the European model is saying, hey, we could get a lot of snow. And then you look at the U.S. model and you get a headache, right? Because it's saying, hey, high pressure to the north is going to give us more northerly winds and bring down some drier air from Canada and suppress the snow amounts further to the south. So as we go throughout the next couple of days, we'll fine tune it, see if the computer models come into more of an agreement, but it looks like we are going to get some snow as we head into Saturday. So we're talking about Saturday morning going through all day Saturday, Saturday night, early on Sunday morning is the time frame where round number 2. Now we have round number 1 later on tonight. So we got a winter weather advisory in effect for some of our counties out to the east. So we're talking about Hancock County there, Perry County down into looks like Ohio County. So up until about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, here's what's going to happen. Storm Team 44 Futurecast between now and 8 p.m. Guaranteed dry, but later on tonight. So watch this right around midnight to we'll still be dry. 4 a.m. The precipitation starts moving in from the south and west. Temperatures are going to be upper 20s around midnight, and then they're slowly going to start to rise by 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. So this is where we get the forecast challenge of what's going to happen. So it looks like it's going to start as snow because temperatures are going to be right around freezing, and then it's going to transition its way into rain. So around 5 a.m. there into the city of Evansville, over toward Tell City, and then Owensboro down toward Henderson, switching over to rain maybe by 6 a.m. in Evansville, and then slowly pushing on off to the east here by 10 o'clock in the morning, get a little sunshine as we head into Wednesday afternoon. It's going to be the warmest day of the week. Temperatures climbing into the 40s. Then the Arctic blast is going to be, we'll feel it as we head into the weekend. So we're going to fast forward, show you what it looks like right now across the bend in the Ohio River. Just a beautiful day. We had some cloud cover earlier this morning, then the sunshine came out, pumped those numbers up to the warmest temperature we've seen all day, around 30 degrees right now in Evansville, 33. In Henderson with a wind chill 21, so the wind's still affecting us, and it does feel a little bone chilling out there. 21 is what it feels like in Evansville, and 18 degrees right now in Jasper. So we put the temperatures on the map. We'll show you a Futurecast again. So here we are between now and 8 p.m. Again, dry temperatures in the upper 20s. Midnight, we're still in the upper 20s, and then at 4 a.m., look at that, temperatures start to rise. Here comes that precipitation. So this is what gives us the forecast headache. So be careful. Just allow some extra time tomorrow morning. Slick spots could be possible here or there, especially on bridges and overpasses. 6 a.m. temperature might be about 2 degrees above freezing there in Evansville. Owensboro, mix of snow, some rain. This is going to be short-lived, so we're happy about that. But again, could cause some minor travel impacts tomorrow morning. By 8, 9 o'clock, should be slowly getting on out of here. Temperatures climbing into the 40s, hopefully some sunshine for your Wednesday afternoon. And then we fast forward to Saturday. So again, if you missed it at the top of this weathercast, this is what the European model is forecasting. The American model is saying not much is going to happen, maybe some drier air closer to the surface. So we'll fine tune that, as I said, over the next couple of days. We should have a good idea what's going to happen. A lot of people are either going to be happy that it snowed a lot, or they're going to be unhappy because it didn't snow at all. We're talking about temperatures in the 20s right now through 8 p.m. 25 degrees, that's around midnight. Temperatures climbing to around freezing at daybreak, 45 degrees tomorrow afternoon, and then it gets colder, 39 Thursday, 24 on Friday. Here comes the possibility of snow all day Saturday into Sunday morning.